Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgens with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today we're looking at a brand new 2020 Forest River ROCKWOOD Mini-LITE 2511S. Great floor plan, large bathroom in the back, nice master bedroom up front. Let's get started and take a look. Guys, do me a favor, watch all the way to the end of the video. I will be showing you what it looks like with the slide out in, show you all the access and if you lose anything with the slides in. So watch all the way to the end for me. Thanks again. All right, starting on the outside of the 2511 ROCKWOOD Mini-LITE. See the nice automotive windshield, two 30-pound LP bottles. Power tongue jack with the light. Nice 7-way pin holder. Spot for 2 batteries. 2511 has a dry weight of 5,520 pounds. You have electric stabilizer jacks, your water connection, antifreeze connection for winterization, and your freshwater tank fill. Nice wide open pass-through storage with lights. You notice on the outside we equipped this camper with the awning toppers over your slide outs. You have frameless windows. Coming down the side, you'll see this is a 30 amp service. Your hookup for cable and satellite. You also have your pool valves for your black and gray tank. Bumper, and you've got your spare tire mounted there. You are prepped for a backup camera. ROCKWOOD also equips their campers with a receiver built into the frame. So you've got a 300-pound capacity there. So if you want to do a bike rack, a little storage bin, something like that on the back, you can. Hot and cold outside shower. The factory installed ladder for access to the roof. We'll take a look up there. Solid one-piece roof. You see the Max Air vent cover up front. Your AC, your Wi-Fi booster and radio antenna. Your TV antenna. Another Max Air vent cover. Skylight over top of your shower. You can see the top of those awning toppers as well. Black tank flush. Controls for your back 2 electric jacks. Full length power awning with LED lights. You do have the 3 entry step above steps that fold right into the camper. They've got adjustable legs. Assist shocks, lifts it right up for you. No exposed frame. Close that door right in. Hook up for TV on the outside, and you've got a mount. Outside speakers. You do have the exhaust range for the exterior. Removable table, prep. Your outside griddle would hook there as well, and it tees off your propane up front, which is down low here. Other side of your pass-through storage with magnetic latches. Controls for your front 2 stabilizer jacks, and you are prepped for solar. So a portable solar panel will trickle charge those batteries up front. This is equipped with the Wi-Fi Ranger. So basically a router or booster for that Wi-Fi signal. Going into the 2511S ROCKWOOD Mini-LITE. Those steps fold right down. We'll take a look. First thing you see coming in, the theater seating in the stone decor, maple cabinetry. TV directly across from the theater seating. Master bedroom up front. Bathroom in the back. Being a rear bathroom, we'll start there. Nice countertop. Good size sink with storage. Vanity. Nice linen closet. Glass enclosed shower. Overhead skylight. Your max air fan. Plenty of room around the toilet. A solid door that closes off the bathroom from the rest of the camper. Theater seating. Good storage with USB and 110 receptacles for charging. Cup holders, heat massage LED lights. They do recline. Little tables are removable. Give you extra little spot to put your snacks. Overhead storage. Solid shades. Receptacles throughout. Raised panel refrigerator. Gas electric refrigerator freezer. ROCKWOOD gives you the TST, so the Truck System Technologies. It is a temperature and pressure gauge for your tires. So hook that up, give you a little bit of peace of mind going down the road. A little bit better safety. Pretty easy to install. Little countertop extension. Flush mount cover for your dual stainless steel sinks. Receptacles and lights throughout. Overhead storage. Stainless steel microwave. Range hood. Flush mount cover on that Suburban oven, which is larger than most. Nice drawers down low. An electric fireplace that does put out heat. AM, FM, CD, DVD player. Controls for your slides, your lights, all your holding tanks. You do have tank heaters on this. As you come in the door, you've got shelving that can be removed for more hanging space. Your thermostat. Your second slide out in the master bedroom has got shelving or wardrobe. Nice front windshield, gives you good natural light that does have a shade. Overhead storage. Receptacle charging ports. Shock assist that holds up that queen walk around bed. Drawers down below that as well. Again, you do have the solid door that closes off the master bedroom, just like the bathroom. Spot for a TV. Nice drawer. Plenty of space to get around that bed. This brand new 2020 Forest River ROCKWOOD Mini-LITE 2511S. Stone decor, maple cabinetry, pretty much fully loaded. Alright, as promised, slide out in. Have access to the sink. You do have access into the refrigerator, access into the freezer, no access into the master bedroom, but you do have full access to the bathroom. So really your only restriction with the slide out in is to the master bedroom. Guys, I just wanted to take a minute and thank you for watching the video. Hope I answered all your questions. If there's a floor plan that you're looking for that I've not yet posted, please list it down below. I'll do my best to get it on as quickly as possible. If you have not yet already subscribed, please do so. Hit the notifications. That way you can be the first one to see them as they come on. New options, colors, decors, everything that you're looking for. Also, give me the thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgens, Dodd RV.